story with this car, the reason why we've had to bypass the BCM is the cops took the key. I don't know exactly why, but I take it he was skidding this car before we got it, and basically a customer came in, wanted the gearbox and stuff out of it for his car, so we did that, and then we had some other bits and pieces, shopped him over. I was like, you know what, make this car something fun.
First off, praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no fight, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought we'll do a bit of a rundown on the party bus, on what it has, kind of doesn't have. So I thought I'll just start with the basic things. The colour we've painted it is an AU A1 white, the same Ford colour for everything. We've chucked on BA Fairlane side skirts, a couple of tech screws holding those bad boys on. Obviously we've got the NC Fairlane front on it, so we put that on. It's an EB wagon to start off with, so factory manual, which is a bonus, kind of why I did it. And then I've put on 15 by 10 neg 30 wheels for that girth. Come down the back actually. Apart from the weather shield, because I love weather shields, we've put on a roof spoiler off an N15 Pulsar, Triple S Pulsar thing. Drill 2 holes, on it goes. 3-inch exhaust, 3-inch pipe. What you want to do right here, this is custom ant effect. These ants love this party bus, and I think this is the main feature of the car. The dents, that just knows that your grandma took this to the shops. Tail light, I don't know what happened. I can't seem to buy one because no one has it, so that's exciting. Now inside, really dirty. The boot struts work, but because the car's so low, you can't even, you smash your head on when you put something in there. So we'll clean that up, maybe eventually, maybe put a mattress in. I want to go camping in it at the track. But yeah, it's nothing very interesting in there, but that's always exciting. Interior, apart from it being a bit dirty, it's actually not too bad. It had a bit of a clean, like the seats aren't even ripped. I'm surprised. So yeah, so that's, we're gonna paint these little side panels here black, so that's gonna be fun. So you might be wondering why the heck don't we have headlights? We're waiting for other headlight to come. Still can't find corner lights, so if someone knows someone with some corner lights, we will buy them because we need them. I'll pop the bonnet just to see what's under it. Yeah, the bonnet struts used to hold the bonnet, but this bonnet's severely heavier than the original one. Quick rundown, standard stock engine. We've done nothing to it. Before we hit the track, I'm planning to change all the pulleys to AU stuff. So harmonic balancer, power steering pump, water pump, all those things. Because these have a V-belt and they're prone to flying off on big revs, so we'll be drifting it, they're going to be flying off. I don't like stopping at the track to fix things, so that's going to get fixed before we go there. That's it for under here, so that's under there. Now, I'm keen to hit the track, and when we do, we're going to have 4 of us driving the car, and none of us have driven this car. So we're going to get to the track with no one even skidded this car once. We're going to do scissors, paper, rock on which driver drives first, with all of us in the car. So hopefully, I'm keen for that video. It's going to be a good time. I don't know what's going to happen. I mean, if I drive first, probably crash it. If Shannon drives first, probably crash it. I don't know. Levi might. We don't know. The driver that might be driving might have never even drifted before. But look, we're all going to be wearing helmets and we're all going to be in for, a bit of fun. So let's do it. Thank you guys for watching this week's video. Thursday we're going to have another video dropping as well, so be sure to check that out. Comment on what you want to see. That way we know what we can do. Like, we've got a few different cars we're going to do things on. So it's just they're literally parked next to each other and be like, which one do we do? So we'll do that. So yeah, give us a subscribe if you can. Have a blessed week. Catch us on Thursday.